Hi everyone, Di here from All Things Party, based in Australia on the beautiful south coast just near Wollongong. So everyone's been doing these confetti contraptions, Chris Adamo's, Konzuka, David Taylor's, I don't know what he's calling his method, but I did buy that thing. And the castrator, I bought that too. But nothing works better than what we're already doing, which is using one of these, our Qualitex ribbon spools. So we just take the end off, tape it with the sticky side down, or else the confetti sticks to it. I prefer to tape it across this way, because then you have these little air holes that you can blow into. I'll just change this one actually, to make sure all the confetti's out, and they work a treat. So check it back on. So we preload them before we do anything actually. We used to weigh them. Now we do that many of them that we don't even bother. We know that a 16-inch is going to be about half full. Obviously we'll make sure they're all the same, about. I'm spilling confetti all over the place. I love the 1 centimeter metallic. It's so pretty. Anyway, so that's half full. Doesn't look like half full on there, but it is. And then I high float. I do this a little bit differently to everybody else too. We always keep our tip up. All those years of having it down, and then no doubt it drips on a pile of balloons and they're wrecked. So then we started turning it up, and then I thought, you know what, I can't be bothered to turn it back down and remember to try and turn it up. So we just use it up, and it's perfectly fine. So I just, I don't know, it's probably less than half a pump. Make sure it's rubbed all the way through so there's none of those, it's covered. And then we just stretch it over. Works the 16-inch. 16-inch and 3-footers. For the 11-inch, we just use I'll get you one of these, a conduit. It's just a connector. I think it's 20 mil. So tip it up, blow in it. I think the trick is to not touch that balloon. Just pull the neck off, and when I tip it up, all I want to do is I just touch that tip. I think the other big secret is to use a dual sizer, not economy reg, because there's just not enough pressure. Probably doesn't matter so much on a 16-inch when it's all metallic, but if you're using paper, high pressure is the answer. If you've got low pressure, the tissue sticks to the high float before it's even, half inflated, and then it just tears and looks terrible. Also, the other reason why we love to just do confetti, metallic, sorry. So this will go, actually, what am I doing here? Into here. And then a heart back here. I like my heart to sit right on the bottom of the 16-inch. I'm a bit crazy, but I don't know. against Californian rules, but I don't live in California. We always try and tie the foil string, which is this one. Yes, because it's already got loops in it. To the weight. But I like the knots because then I get to make more curls. And that's it. Oops. It's pretty. We sell so many of them. We have them on display. Always have one out on display. And people just go, "I'll have that." So we say, "Sure, no problem." I don't know if I can turn you around. Doesn't look like it. Anyway, this is my confetti station. It's back to front now. But all these are metallics. Then we have just paper for gender reveal, pink and blue. Multicolored confetti, that's paper. The metallic overflow, because sometimes we have too much to fit into the tubs. And then that's just all the paper confetti. We don't use very much at all paper anymore. Besides white, because there's not a nice metallic white. Obviously, that's not metallic white at all. But the metallic white we got was cello, and it was ivory. Not nice. So that's how I do it. I think it's 10 times, 100 times easier. And we have millions of these. I remember when we started out, and to get to the end of one roll was like, wow, we made it. Now we have rolls all over the shop. But it all takes work. So thanks for watching.